So I've heard that there is this new sorry man, my phone just got hang for a while. Alright. So I've heard that there is this new Nasi Lemak place called the Burung Hantu Nasi Lemak, which just opened today. I think tonight it just opened. So I've heard that I don't know man, I saw the queue is long, so I think right now maybe the queue has subsided. So we shall see now, because tomorrow is a working day. So I don't think there are as many people right now. But I will see man. I will see, because I want to try if it is really good as what people are saying. But normally a shop that just opened, normally they will try their best to make it quality, because you know why, they just open. So let's hope it is really good. We shall see man. We shall see. So we shall. Oh, there it is man. There it is. The Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu. There it is man. So is there a lot of people? Man. Here it is man. Here it is. Okay, there's not many people, so I can go and check it out. So here it is man. Nasi Burung Hantu. So I've got myself the squid. So it comes with some I'm not sure what is this man. See, I think it's like a bagdil. A squid, the egg. This costs about 17 ringgit man. Alright, so we shall see man. See, it's really good. Because the cube is very long. It tastes like Nasi Lemak, but I'm not sure whether it has anything different than the usual Nasi Lemak. We shall see again. I think this is a pagadil. The sambal is good man. The sambal is good. Not bad man. But the portion of rice is really little man. I think everything is now economical. Everything is saving man. It's sad. It's really sad to see the world like this. Nevertheless, it is nice. It is really. It's got a few other menus. I think meat, prawns.